Hello students, Standard 8, 2.5, Happy Prince. All of us like stories. We enjoy stories. We also write stories. There are different types of stories. Use a dictionary or internet and find out what each of the following types refers to. Now I will tell you something about all these categories. Number 1. Fable. What do you mean by fable? A fable refers to a short tale. Tale means what here? Story. Often using animals to teach moral. To teach a moral. It may be a moral story also. An anecdote. Anecdote refers to a short interesting incident about a real person. About a real person. Anecdote maybe it is something related to reality. Means it refers to a short interesting incident about a real person. Now see, a fairy tale. A fairy tale is a traditional story written for children which usually involves imaginary creatures and magic. A parable. A parable refers to a simple story used to explain a moral or spiritual lesson. Tragedy. A tragedy is a play dealing with tragic events and having an unhappy ending, especially one concerning the downfall of the main character. Means tragic stories have tragic end, means downfall of the main character. Now see, a humorous story. A humorous story refers to a short story whose objective is to evoke laughter from the audience. A detective story, the name itself indicates, it refers to a story whose plot revolves around solving a crime or mystery. A myth. Myth is a well-known story which was made up in the past to explain natural events or to justify religious beliefs or social customs. Number 2, see. Have you heard of birds that fly from one part of the world to another in small or large flocks? They are called migratory birds. Means birds commonly migrate from one place to another place. Some birds migrate to a small distance. They cover a small distance. But discuss and write down 2 reasons why they migrate and return. So now you discuss with your parents, elder brother, sister and write your answer. The reasons for the migration and return of birds are as follows. Unfavorable weather conditions like cold temperatures make birds migrate to warmer places. If one place means where do they stay? If there is cold climate, and they can migrate to another place where there is warm climate. They return when the temperatures go back to normal. How interesting it is. Second point is, some birds might also migrate in order to find nesting locations to build nest. After this process is over, they go back to their formal place. Now see question number 3. Speech or dialogues can be reported in 2 ways, direct and indirect. When the extract words of the speaker are reported, we call it direct speech. When the extract words of the speaker are not reported, but just its contents, we call it indirect speech. I have already taught you in 7th standard. Now let us recall it. See the example. Direct speech. Amma said, I shall come to meet you tomorrow. Sanket. How can we convert it into indirect speech? Amar told Sanket that shall becomes what? Would. He would go to meet him the next day. Tomorrow becomes what? Next day. So, Amar told Sanket that he would go to meet him the next day. What changes have taken place here while converting from direct speech to indirect speech? Listen here. No inverted commas are used while reporting in indirect speech. We should omit inverted commas. Second thing is, indirect speech makes use of the word that. It should be there. It is important to maintain the same tense. It is important to maintain the same tense that was used in direct speech. We should not change the tense. In indirect speech, the reporting is done using the third person. Here I becomes what? He. In this way, you write your warm-up exercise and read lesson also. Thank you.